And greetings, weather prognosticator and meteorologist Chad Merrill with a look at the weather forecast, and this is through the end of August. We've had a warm stretch of weather across the mid-Atlantic to start the month. The only spot across the U.S. that has been cooler than average is across the nation's midsection, and of course the western U.S. is dealing with plenty of heat as well as wildfires. Rain is needed across central Pennsylvania, where the deficits are mounting for the summer, anywhere from 3 to 5 inches below average. Meanwhile, there's been a surplus of 6 to 10 inches above average east of the Appalachian Mountains. It has taken almost 3 months to accumulate 4 inches of rain across central Pennsylvania, where the drought continues to heighten a bit. Meanwhile, across eastern Pennsylvania, this is just an indication of how wet it has been. Only 10 days to accumulate 4 inches of rain on average this summer, so quite a dichotomy of rain totals across Pennsylvania as we go throughout the summertime so far. Significant weather for this Tuesday, August 25th, as a cold front pushes south and east. There will be 2 rounds of thunderstorms. The first round will push from western Pennsylvania and eastern Ohio into northern West Virginia between 3 and 6 p.m. The leading edge of these storms will have wind gusts 45 to 55 miles per hour. The second round will develop across the mountains of central Pennsylvania and push south and east towards Interstate 95 between 6 and 9 p.m. with wind gusts of 45 to 55 miles per hour. Along the I-81 corridor, these storms will be rather scattered in nature, and the best chance for any strong gust will be in the foothills of the Appalachians to the west of I-81 and the Blue Ridge to the east of Interstate 81. Laura will likely become a hurricane, if not a major hurricane, and make landfall between the Texas and Louisiana coast by the middle of the week, and then accelerate and weaken as it moves into the northern part of the Carolinas or southern and mid-Atlantic. We are expecting it will be a depression as it swiftly moves through the southern mid-Atlantic, and the timeline is late Saturday. How much rain will fall this week? Well, we do have good news for the drought across western Pennsylvania. Improvement is noted with 1 to 2.5 inches of rain expected. No drought improvement despite the 1/2 to 1 inch of rain across central Pennsylvania. Flash flooding, though, is likely in southern West Virginia with a combination of a cold front moving through later this week and the moisture from Laura. On the east side of the mountains, the rain will dry up a bit, so we are only expecting a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches that should not cause any flooding across central and southern parts of Virginia. We would like to welcome Bishop's Events, a racing organization in Northern Virginia. We will be producing forecasts for this organization, and they have a couple of virtual races and an in-person race this weekend on Saturday, August 29th in Lynchburg, Virginia. The 5K starts at 7:45 a.m., the 10K at 8 a.m. We are looking for partial sunshine, high humidity, only a few sprinkles possible. The steady rain will come pretty late in the day. Temperatures will be 77 degrees at the starting line, and the end of the race will be 82 degrees. The next event that they are hosting is a virtual race, Sunday, August 30th. This is at Seneca Creek Park in Gaithersburg, Maryland, and we are looking for the rain to have ended, so partial sunshine, moderate humidity, not as much humidity as Saturday, but we are going to start to get into a lower humidity trend later in the weekend. And in the morning on Sunday, we are looking for the temperature to be 73 degrees at the starting line, the end of the race 75 degrees. The in-person race this weekend for a Bishop's event, well, that is taking place in Burke, Virginia, and the starting line temperature will be 7:45 a.m. for the 5K. The 10K starts at 8 a.m. We are looking for mostly cloudy skies, a light breeze, moderate humidity. Temperatures not too bad, 74 degrees to start the race, and the end of the race will be 77 degrees. And we are looking for most of the rain to be east of Burke Lake by the time the race begins, and again, only moderate humidity levels. But as we take a look towards the latter half of the weekend into early next week, Here is the comfort index, finally seeing some dew points in that comfortable 56 to 60 degree range as the moisture from Laura departs and a cold front pushes south and east. Pleasant stretch of weather Sunday through Tuesday, and that will include September 1st. Did you know that mixing egg yolk with warm water will remove coffee stains from fabric? Well, that's all in the 2021 Hagerstown Town and Country Almanack. If you would like to purchase your almanac, go to our website, that is almanack.com, and find out more information on how you can purchase it in the next couple of weeks. It will be available online, though, starting in early September. An announcement will be made about that. Thanks, everyone. Have a great week.